Hey, what's going on, Vechain holders? So today video is going very special and very urgent for Vechain holder. If you are a Vechain holder, then keep watch this video because this is very important for you. If you can see here, first of all, I'm gonna show you the result. Absolutely, you can see here every cryptocurrency that goes down, but one of my favorite Vechain is absolutely goes up like a rocket. So let's get started the price prediction of Vechain. But before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. I hope you subscribe this channel because this channel is very great channel for you, because this channel will give you a very informative videos about all cryptocurrencies and a very urgent latest updates. So guys, first of all, note these results in the last we are decide to this is a holding time, this is selling time, or this is buying time. So this is very important to you remember these results. Okay, so first of all, you can see here the plus 11.92% they can go up. This is absolutely mind-blowing changes. So absolutely gone up like a rocket. If you can see here, this is absolutely the latest price is 0.1059 USD dollars. So this is absolutely big change and the price. So I hope they can cross it to $1 or half US dollar, and just in the mid of this month. What you can say, they can cross it easily? I hope they can cross it. What's your opinion? What's your expectation? Please share it in the comment box. This is very important for me. Okay, so Vechain holder, today is absolutely a good day for Vechain because all cryptocurrencies goes down and those days, because this is the start of month, and if you can see here, this is the last 1 hour result. They again starting jumping. So oh my god, absolutely high jump. What you can say, can they give us if this type changes 2.15% has just gone as best change in the last 1 hour, then I hope they can cross it $1 US just at the mid of this month, or at the end of this month. They easily cross it $1 US. What you say, if they can cross $1 US, then they make you a millionaire. Absolutely, they can give you a good profit. So what you say to this is selling time, buying time, or holding time? This is absolutely important. Please share it in a comment box. And my opinion, as this is absolutely a buying time, I think this is absolutely buying time. I am also holder of Vechain and I have planned to buy more Vechain coin. Therefore, I am going to buy more, and this day, absolutely this day is good for buying. So I updating you every hour. If you want this type more informative video, then please just subscribe ABS channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.